Hey, this is Glyn here, and not that long ago I thought I made a terrible mistake when I went into online marketing. After buying into promise after promise from every course I bought, all I had to show for it was crushing debt. If this sounds familiar, it's because all too often so-called systems make big fat claims that just don't deliver. Just do this one thing and money will fall from the sky, they say. Until you dig in further and find out you need thousands of dollars or expensive tools or coaching for anything to actually work. After struggling for years, I discovered a massive shortcut to marketing online. All the content you'll ever need to make profits online is already out there. Once I discovered this shortcut, I've been fortunate enough to create hands-free, six-figure yearly income online. And I'd like to show you how to do exactly the same. Forget the methods that force you to create content from scratch. Forget spending hours of time researching, writing reports and uploading videos. Forget waiting months or spending money you can't afford to lose on risky ads just hoping for results. Today the internet is a lot different, and that's great news for anyone looking to crack into online marketing. Viral traffic sites like YouTube and BuzzFeed not only share content made by others, but they make billions each year by monetizing it. Welcome to the world of content syndication, where anyone can profit just by using other people's stuff. In this quick message, I will show you exactly how to profit like YouTube and BuzzFeed just by sharing other people's content. This is 100% legal and approved on multiple platforms. It's a legal loophole that lets you make completely passive profits from content created by others. You can use this method to drive traffic to any link online, make passive profits from ads or affiliate offers, and literally get paid to build your list at the same time. For reference, understand that YouTube ranks number 2 behind Google for global traffic. BuzzFeed ranks at number 270 but gets referral traffic from over 35,000 websites. These two sites combine for over $10 billion in yearly revenues. On the back of content made by other people. They make their money from passive ad income, affiliate commissions, and list building. Each piece of content they syndicate drives multiple income streams, and for the first time ever, there's a way for you to get similar results, even if you've never made a dime online before. Welcome to Tube Traffic Machine. This powerful software sets you up with both YouTube and BuzzFeed styled viral money sites that you can pack full of amazing video content made by others, then monetize that content in multiple ways for diverse income streams. You get a WordPress plugin plus 2 included themes that create both YouTube and BuzzFeed style websites. Choose video content from millions of YouTube channels to add highly engaging content to your sites. Monetize every video of passive ads, affiliate offers, and lead generation forms. We'll show you exactly how. Then plug in the included viral traffic engine to send floods of buyers to your new money sites in seconds. The software drives you traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Tumblr without ever paying for ads. So you get the best combo of social volume, authority, and engagement. The best part, the traffic is 100% automated. Every time your sites update with new content, the software shares these updates to your social networks, meaning viral traffic without any effort. Tube Traffic Machine gives you full control. Choose how often you want new content added to your sites, every 10 minutes, every hour, every day, or whenever you choose. Each update triggers the software to post your new updates socially, bringing in round-the-clock social traffic and passive income. Below this message, you'll find verified results from beta testers of the software and a quick demo showing exactly how the plugin and included themes work to get you the best results. See for yourself how easy it is to profit exactly like YouTube and BuzzFeed just by using content made by others. During this exclusive launch, we're also including multiple product-specific bonuses to get you even better results, and your low one-time access fee is completely guaranteed and covered by my rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. Love your results or your money back, no questions asked. Video traffic is huge, it's dominating the internet. Sites like YouTube, BuzzFeed, and many more are raking in hands-free profits just by using videos and content made by other people, and now you can do exactly the same too, without the time, cost or hassle of creating your own content. See exactly how below, then lock in your access and we'll see you on the inside.